guys, welcome back to another new YouTube video. Traders, this is, I don't know even which day it is, but so far been in Dubai for almost I think more than 3 weeks. Dubai is awesome. Right now we're headed out to go to the Dubai firm, and then also we're going to be visiting the Dubai Old Town, because Yaga last time didn't see it, you know. And also I think we shall be visiting the gardens and all that. Yeah, traders, make sure to stick around. And before I go any further, guys, make sure to get funded, guys. And most of you guys, one thing that freaks you out is taking the risk. You know, learning, trading and all that is very simple, but taking action. So one of the best ways you can overcome emotions and all that is by getting funded. The reason why you're trading with money that doesn't belong to you, you just have to pay a small fee and then you have to just trade. You either deposit money on your personal account and trade, or just get funded, guys, which is way better. And the platform that I'm using is the Forex Funder. I'm going to be leaving the link below. The Forex Funder is one of the best platforms that has taken the internet by storm, guys, with over 95% profit split and 3 account types that you can choose from. They offer 1-step challenge, 2-step challenge, and the rapid evaluation challenge, guys. Make sure to get the Forex Funder, and I'm going to be showing you one of the trades that I took on the Forex Funder this week on my $50,000 live account, guys. So let's go, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you again. One thing I love about Dubai, these guys have created like multiple tourist attractions, like in every part of the city, like everywhere you have to find something. There is the Museum of the World, there is this Dubai firm, like the hotels are crazy, like, guys, oh my goodness. So I'm right here. This is the Dubai firm right there, guys. You can see that is where I'm going, and yeah, guys, ready inside. So make quick up and then find my boy, you know. Guys, I love Dubai. I like Dubai. This thing looks huge. Yeah? We're going to go up there. Guys, I'm now at the Dubai firm. Look at it. Right there. And then I find Yaga. He's busy fucking around with Siri. What is Siri telling you?
Siri, this artificial is serving me. This one is better than some of your girlfriends.
You see, guys, what I told you, artificial intelligence is taking over. Imagine there is no person in there. It's all artificial intelligence, you know? It's a robot. Like, robots are replacing people's jobs every single day, you know? Most of you guys have Siri on your phones, and you don't know Siri has been replacing more people, you know? Siri is replacing your jobs, guys. You need to wake up. Imagine there is no one in there. No one is there. No one is there.
Brother, let me test what AI has given me. I was asking, yeah?
Guys, look at how this thing is going to take all their jobs. Look at that. No one is in here, guys. You select everything here, then after you make the payment there, and Monday works for you in there. And that's what I ordered for.
You look great today.
Of course, I look good.
I'm preparing your order. I will make it super delicious for you.
You guys have no jobs. You guys have no jobs. AI is taking all your jobs. Guys, one thing I love about Dubai right now, it's cold. You can't even believe it. Remember, guys, this is a desert. Dubai is a desert. The fact that it's cold right now. See, my boy is in a jumper. That means it's cold. But when it clocks July, this place is hot. This place is hot. Oh, anyway, guys, let's enjoy this. You look at how tall this thing is. Look at that. This thing is tall, huh? And we are in.
We are in the frame.
Guys, the Dubai firm. The Dubai firm, guys.
My brother, feels like I'm in a mirror in a house.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't lie on the public platform. Don't lie, guys. We are celebrities. We're getting some pictures.
You come in.
Don't lie on the public platform. Thank you. Welcome to the Dubai firm.
We are framing the
And dear guests, you will see history of Dubai, you will see museum.
Yeah. We are in, guys. This is the museum. I told you guys this was a desert. This was a desert. Coffee lovers. I hate coffee all my life. This is just history of Dubai. This is like a museum. Actually guys, you can see this when you go to the old Dubai town. You can find such shops. They still exist. This was the Dubai plan right here. 1960 plan. These guys were planning as our presidents. You can see.
They were signing Uganda agreement. These guys were planning how sweet and how beautiful their country was going to be.
As they were planning Uganda agreement and dancing disco. You see?
People were planning a city.
1960. You see guys, I told you. These guys started building this city like humble beginnings. See? Look at that. Guys, you know, this just has to motivate you as a person to work hard. Just never underestimate yourself, man. It's funny how 20 years, that's 25 years ago, we were better than Dubai. But right now, we can't come close to how Dubai is now. Look at that. That's the airport. It's now one of the, it's like the 5th biggest airport in the world, guys. Competition always makes you stronger and better. It is feared only by the weak. You have heard, competition makes you only stronger, guys. I love the quotes in here, guys. They have some nice quotes there. Every challenge is an opportunity for learning, a chance to test your capabilities. Yes, you heard that right. Now, look at this. This is where you see the whole of Dubai, the Dubai Skyline and everything. Look at that. You see the roads down there. Wow. Oh my, guys, look at this. Wow. Wow. You see, there are things we take risks, but there are some types of risks I can't take. You get. Oh my goodness, guys! I'm literally shaking. I'm literally shaking. Wow! If this thing just does juju, look at that, guys. Yo. You see, guys, one thing I can tell you is the way Dubai and the rulers of Dubai planned this country was for the future. It has to be the same as you guys. When you're trying to plan for the future. Like if you're planning your trading style, if you're planning or starting your trading journey, guys, plan for your future. Don't plan to get quick money. You see, now these guys are ripping. They're ripping. Look at how many people who come in here just to see this. Imagine. Look at how many people. All these people come in here just to see Dubai. No other country in the world that has done what Dubai has done, guys. Let's wake up, traders. Plan for the future. Don't plan for now. Plan for the future. It's the two sides of Dubai. There is this side. You see, this is the normal side. Look at this. See? Now there is this side. The Burj Khalifas. Look at this. You understand? That is the Burj Khalifa, everything. That is why it is those luxurious hotels. Guys, Dubai is beautiful. Like, if you don't want to come to Dubai, I don't know what you are on. I don't know what juju you use, but this is the dream country, man. You know? Wow. All I can say is wow. Dubai keeps on wowing me. I've been here for the longest, but it keeps on wowing me. You know? Every year I'm going to be having 3 trips. If I don't relocate here, every year I'm just going to be having 3-5 trips to Dubai every year. You can even see the Palm Island. I think this is a Palm Jumeirah right there. I think it's there, Palm Jumeirah. If I'm not mistaken, that side. There. It's like that is the Palm Jumeirah. That's where the island is, I think. Guys, this was the construction of the Dubai firm. Look at this. Well, this is how tall the Dubai firm is, 150 meters. And then the Alpha Tower is 324. Then when the Burj Khalifa is around 750 meters. They use gold.
See,
These guys used gold.
see,
Guys.
yes, the whole
Whoa. These guys used gold to build this thing. Wow. Not gold coating, but gold. Wow. Wow. Now we're going to see the future. The future of Dubai. Welcome to the future. We have been seeing the past. Now we're going to see the future. And yes, guys, that was the farm.
You see how people are
We
standing?
are done with the farm. But this thing is so tall.
Can you show them like how
Guys, we are standing right there. You see those glasses? People are there, up there. That's why we're
ants
standing.
there, they also look at us like as if we are ants.
Now imagine if that thing just breaks, man.
No, it is not a
You'll be
terrible
all over
one.
Twitter.
It's not a terrible one, it is a summarized one. Because by the time you reach down, your God has judged you already.
Anyway, guys, that was the firm. As you can see, we have Burj Khalifa right there.
All Dubai.
That is the most famous thing people know about Dubai, because that is the tallest building. And also, they're building another building that is, I think, 2 kilometers long. Imagine if Burj Khalifa is 750 something meters long. They're building something that is 2 kilometers long. Dubai is crazy, man. Dubai. Guys, can you believe this is gold? You see all those panels? That is pure gold, guys. These guys used a lot of gold to build this thing. Oh my god. And you know, guys, these guys have some crazy gold. This is all gold. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh my god. So this guy wanted to live without me.
I want to leave you behind.
Guys, we're headed out to the old town.
Waiting me for 10 minutes. This is the metro station.
This is the metro station here.
Which one?
I told you guys.
Which one?
I told you there's one behind there.
You are waiting 10 minutes. We didn't even know. Jesus. We are here waiting, looking for metro station. Let's just go.
So fun. The time we
This is the problem of not knowing a place.
Guys, even just hotels, that they're an attraction. Look at this hotel. Look at that. I don't know if it's a hotel or apartment. Looks like a hotel apartment. But look up there. Look. Damn. Oh my god. Dubai. This one also looks very good. Look at this.
These people.
Let's go to Metro.
Oh damn. That's actually close.
Nah, it's just that you have to go around.
No, you have to go around. That's the tiresome part of it.
Metro saves life here. You see how you can own your expensive car and then you have all the respect, but there are times where you don't need that car. The time a jam can catch you, guys. Off to the metro right there. Oh. Oof. Guys, I'll tell you a joke. The metro here is competing with our airports. These metro stations are literally competing with our airports, guys. Oh my god. What did we do wrong as Africa? This is a metro station.
Passengers are advised not to leave their baggage unattended.
Why are you using gold class?
Again, money.
Guys, the moment these things will reach Africa, I don't know. This is just a metro. This is like a normal thing back
You have to have a card like this. Here you can sit comfortably.
gold class.
Gold class. Yeah, palama dubla. Union. Available. Where is your card? Gold.
We have reached at the Dubai Old Town, which is there. Yeah, this is the first time you guys coming here. Me, I've already been here like 2 times, but you can see that we have some big boats. Not those fancy boats, but obviously these are safe boats compared to back home. You see, guys, so we're going to take a boat. Remember, this boat is just 1 dirham. 1 dirham is like 1,000 Ugandan shillings. It's not even $1, you know? And we're going to be crossing across just like that to go to the old town, which is that one right there. Yeah. So, guys, let's go. Make sure to subscribe, please. Let's make sure to subscribe. Don't watch without subscribing. The more you subscribe, the more we push this content to more and more people that want to be inspired and get into the trading world, guys. Let's go. Guys, this is the boat right here. 1 dirham. Alright. 1 dirham boats. Guys, we've reached the Dubai Old Town, so let the adventures begin.
How are you guys? Welcome to my shop.
Yes, you have a nice shop.
Where you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Uganda. Hakuna Matata.
Is it the same price with this one?
No, this is different price.
That's different price. How much?
Yeah, this one is 35 dirham, 45 dirham, 55 dirham. Is different.
Do you have
price.
total black?
I have lot of black like Palestinian, black and white.
Only black.
Some black and white. No, some black and white. Palestinian.
You are look-alike
The king of Dubai.
Guys, how do I look? When you come to Dubai, guys, make sure to come to the Old Town and support my friend right here. Brother, what's your name?
My name is Abu Bakar and my English name is Francesco.
Francesco. Guys, when you come in, just from the boarding thing, you come straight down on your right. I think your left. Then you see.
Near in temple side.
All right, guys, make sure to come and support him. So guys, that is the Old Town. I can't really record so much because I'm very tired, but right now we're going to head out to a Ugandan restaurant here in Dubai so that we can have some food and all that, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next. Peace.